Welcome students and parents. It's a great pleasure and privilege for me to address you virtually along with your principal for a special program launched by Presidency University to honor the great educationists of the country. Your principal has been in the forefront of educational development not only in the city of Bangalore or in the state of Karnataka, but he has spread light of education all over the country. So it's a special occasion for us to meet him and greet him and also offer our obeisance to him as a guru. Through this program of Guru Samarpane, we want to acknowledge his contribution to the world of education. Now a few words about Presidency University. The university has been set up by Presidency Group of Institutions, which has been in the forefront of education over 4 decades. Presidency University offers cutting-edge programs in their disciplines of engineering, MBA, law, as well as other degree programs. We offer futuristic career options to our students to ensure that they have a great career ahead. At our university, we offer an excellent mix of academics as well as personality development programs and sports programs so that each of our students turn out to be great personalities. And when they complete their program in the university and come out into the job market, the potential employers look forward to them to come on board and start offering their services. So with these few words, I now request your principal to give his opinion about the Guru Samarpane program and how he felt to be awarded and honored by Presidency University. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon. This is Mr. Syed Salman, Principal of Shaheen PU College, Falcon Group of Institutions. I would like to thank Mr. Rajkumar Chakrabarti sir for giving me this opportunity to have a word with them. And I also like to thank sir for honoring me with this prestigious award on this occasion. Right. Now, I just wanted to tell you about the situation which we are going through from the last year, November 2019 and up till now. Okay, we as an educational institution and we as a principal teacher who give education to the general public students, okay, we have gone through a very difficult time where we cannot reach the students personally. Everything has become online. Okay, in this situation I would like to request all the students to give their 100%, concentrate on their studies, okay, look and also keep on upgrading themselves with the things which are going around them. They need to be aware of their education, they need to be aware of the situation and also about the opportunities which they are going to grab in the next upcoming few years. Right, so some of them wants to become a commerce graduate, some of them wants to do engineering, some of them wants to do medical. There are a lot of opportunities out there, but many people miss out because they don't, they are not aware of the procedures which are to be followed. We are always here, okay. We as a principal team, directors, and everybody, we are there to help you with that. Okay. Thank you very much.